Hello guys, today we'll look into the most basic but most important metric in machine learning and data science, that is accuracy, precision, recall and F1 score. We'll see the relationship between precision, recall and F1 score. So accuracy, when we say it means the percentage of all prediction the model got right, correct? Overall, the proportion of correct prediction, that is true positive plus true negative. So it is considering both factor. While in precision, out of everything the model marked as positive, how many were truly positive? So for example, model has predicted in A case, B case, C case, D case. I just randomly take it. This is positive, this is positive, this is positive, and the ground truth is this one is positive, this one is also positive, but this is not positive, and this one negative. Now we have one factor that we see where the model says it's true, but in reality it's not. So that means we have one precision is linked with false positive, and to improve precision we have to make sure like the false positive is less so that precision can increase. If precision will increase, false alarm will also reduce. What is false alarm? A false alarm is when model or test say something is positive but it's actually negative. Why is important false alarm? Because suppose if test report says that someone has COVID but they actually don't, so it's a false alarm. Recall, out of all the actual positive, how many the model correctly found positive? Out of all the actual positive. So example, in our ground truth, all are positive. For example, A, B, C, D. This one is true, this one is not, this one is not, this one is. So over here, model failed to predict the true one, right? So our false negative will be 2. Recall is linked with false. Now recall is linked with false negative, right? False negative. To improve recall, what we have to do now? Where we have to focus? We have to focus false negative should decrease so that recall can increase. Correct. So over here we have, if we have high recall, that means we will miss few positive. Precision improves as false positive decreases, while recall improves when false negative decreases. As a result, precision and recall often show an inverse relationship where improving one of them can worsen the other. So improve precision, then we have to keep an eye on recall so that it should not get worse. So it is inversely proportional somewhere. Correct. Now coming to our last part, F1 score. F1 score is the harmonic mean of precision and recall. It is helpful when we want our model to find as many as positive. We want our model to find as many as positive, that is high recall, while avoiding too many false alarm, that is also precision. So the difference between accuracy and F1 score is, accuracy is the percentage of all correct prediction, whereas F1 score is the balance between precision and recall. Lastly, I would like to recommend Google machine learning course for classification threshold. Over here, when we change the threshold value, then our confusion matrix gets updated. Based on our confusion matrix, like accuracy, precision and recall values gets updated. So I will highly recommend, go check it out and keep learning. That's all for today. Thank you.